Good morning, eighth grade. I hope that we are doing well on this morning. But let's talk about math for a second here. This video today is going to be all about taking the words that we read in story problems or just in general and translating them into math symbols and ultimately into math expressions or equations. So this could be done a lot of different ways, and it's going to be something that's super helpful for you as you move forward in your mathematician career. So, without further ado, let's get to the video, and I hope that you have a great day.
All right, eighth grade. Today we're going to be talking about writing equations using symbols. So I have this resource on here that I also put on our Schoology page as well, and essentially they're just keywords or phrases and their associated math symbol, and that's really going to be important for us when we're trying to work on this. So I really encourage you to kind of go through, look and see what some of these words are. They will be on our Schoology page, like I said, and they're really going to help us when we're trying to write out some of our expressions. So let's get started on writing some expressions. The sum of a number. So I know sum automatically tells me that there's going to be an addition problems. The sum of a number. Whenever I just have a number, I know that that's just going to be a variable. So I'm going to say it's x. So it's sum of a number and 4 times the number. So since it's times, I know there's going to be multiplication times the number, our same number as before, so x. So x plus 4x is going to be my mathematical expression. Let's try another one. The product. So I know that there's going to be multiplication because it's a product of 5 and a number. Remember, number, whenever it's not really given to me as an actual number, they want a variable. So this is 5 times x, for example. Let me rewrite that one. 5 times x. Let's try our next one. Multiply 6, so it's 6 times the reciprocal of the quotient of a number of 7. So quotient of a number and 7 is like that. They want the reciprocal of that, meaning they want it flipped. So it's 6 times 7 over x. Okay, it's really important for us to remember key mathematical words like reciprocal, and sometimes we have to read very, very closely. Okay, let's try one more example, just that way we kind of get a feel of it. The square of the sum, so I know it's going to be a quantity squared of the sum, so it's addition of 6 and a number, which is x. Okay, when it says the square of, that means it's a certain quantity is being multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, so that's how I was able to put the parentheses. I put my 2 on the outside, and then it's 6 plus x, sum of 6 and a number inside of those parentheses. So our lesson summary. Begin all word problems by defining your variables. Many times we're just going to use x. State clearly what you want each symbol to represent. Written mathematical statements can be represented as more than one correct symbolic statement. Break down complicated problems into smaller parts or try working them with simpler numbers. And that's exactly what we did for our reciprocal problem. I had to break it down. I had to stop right here because I knew, oh, I have reciprocal, so I need to really pay attention to the quotient of a number in 7. Okay. But that are all the examples that I have for our video for today. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, or make sure that you message me on Schoology with any questions that you might have. But until next time, I hope that you have a fantastic day.